This 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 292 URL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, water heater, oven, stovetop burner, DVD player, awning, slide-out, microwave, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 292 URL is 7,115 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.